Earning money as a teenager can seem like an uphill battle. But teenagers need money too. You need to spend your money buying clothes, hanging out with friends, and maybe looking cool. But when it comes to making money online as a teenager, I'm gonna be honest with you. There really aren't that many ways. For most of the ways to make money online, you need to be over 18 to sign up to the website or whatever it is. However, in this video, I found many ways for you to make money online, even if you're a teenager. This video will show you some opportunities for teens of all ages. So whether you are 13, 14, or 15 years old, there's a gig for you. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below on what country you are in right now, because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Method number 1 is to make money online by typing. This website is called talentdesire.com. With Talent Desire, you can work at home and tap into a global work network. This website connects you with popular employers and begins doing work from home. This opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment, any money to get started. Anybody can apply for part-time or full-time remote jobs from around the world for free. Here listed jobs are suitable for everyone, whether you are a student, housewife, retired person, freelancer, unemployed, employed, or teenager. You can see where they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, medical transcription, content writing, affiliate marketing, online teaching, online typing, etc. But in today's video, we're going to focus on online typing jobs because this is one of the easiest things you can do on this website. This is easiest because it requires no experience or technical skills. Their registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost before or after the joining, and they don't ask about investment to you at any stage. This is absolutely free, and it works worldwide. Now click the red button that says Apply Now. When you click on that button, you'll be taken to this page where you can fill out an online application by clicking on this red link right here. Now fill out the required details and click the Submit button right here. Once your application has been accepted, you will be eligible to get work from our clients, and you will be able to make money from this website. But make sure you submit your jobs on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. Method number 2 is to make money online by testing websites and apps. Our next website is called trymeui.com. Now you may be thinking, what is a UI? UI is basically a user interface. So what you need to do is you get access to the very exclusive pre-launch website or application and you play around with it. While playing around with it, you will be recording your voice. You're going to be taking notes and playing around with it in real time. You're going to be voicing your frustrations about what you really enjoyed about the app or the website and what you didn't like. You get paid about $10 per review session. A review session takes about 20 minutes, so theoretically, if you have 3 review sessions lined up back to back, you can be making $60 per hour. In terms of actual payment, you get paid every single Friday via PayPal. Method number 3 is to make money online by listening. Our next website is called rev.com. Rev is a platform that allows people to transcribe captions or subtitle their videos. If someone wants to add subtitles to their video or transcription service, they can use this website. Basically, people go to this website and put in their video, and then they will receive a transcription or a subtitle. Rev is a platform that allows people to do that. But they also need people to transcribe captions or subtitles on those videos. That is the reason why you're going to make money. They work with many big companies like Amazon and Microsoft. You can make 1.25 cents per minute for transcriptions and English subtitles, and $3 to $7 per minute when you translate videos with foreign subtitles. You can choose the project that you like most, and you will get paid weekly via PayPal. If you're going to become a transcriptionist on Rev, you will get paid anywhere between 30 cents up to $1.10 per audio or video minute. You will get paid between 54 cents to 1.10 per audio or video minute for a captioner. If you want to get started with any of these, what you do is click on Learn More. Apart from that, you have to create a freelancer account in Rev to make money. You can create your freelancer account here. Now enter your name, last name, and email address, select your country, and click on this next button. When you do that, you will see your profile is successfully created. Once you do that, you will be eligible to get work from our clients, and you will be able to make money from this website. Now I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below on what country you are in right now, because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Our first bonus website is called missedplay.com. They will pay you to play games. If you're a teenager looking to start making money online, this will be one of the most fun ways for sure, obviously. But you're not going to be able to get rich from this. You're not going to be able to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day. But just from playing games, even a few extra dollars would be nice. And that is possible here. They have an app version as well, so that you can do this on your smartphone or tablet if you want to. Misplay inspires loyalty by continuously rewarding mobile players as they deeply engage in your game. The longer a user plays a game, the more loyalty points they receive, which they can exchange for various rewards in our shop. Misplay is designed to give gamers the familiar feel of navigating through curated content. They build personalized game lists for each user and organize them by genre. Our next bonus website is called swagbucks.com. This is the web's most popular loyalty and consumer rewards program. Members of this free reward service get free gift cards or cash for the everyday activities they're already completing online, like searching the web, playing games, watching videos, or shopping online, where you'll make money through cashback rebates. However, this one has many more ways to make money online here. You can do the surveys, you can watch videos, and you can download apps and games. There are loads and loads of ways to make money online on Swagbucks. This website is one of the most popular get paid to websites. I'd be surprised if you haven't heard of it already. But I thought I'd show it to you in this video, because it is a great website. They pay out a lot of money. You can see they have excellent reviews on Trustpilot. They've paid out over $700 million to their members, and they give out 7,000 free gift cards every day. You can do some easy things like watching videos, playing games, downloading apps, doing something like that, and getting paid to do it all. Simply click on this button right here and enter your email address and password, retype it, and click the Sign Up Now button, or you can do this with Facebook. They'll create your account with Facebook. Next is an app which is called the Cash Magnet app. It is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. This app works all over the world. It doesn't matter where you come from. This is a beginner-friendly app. You can withdraw your money via PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, and Steam gift cards. As soon as you open this app, you'll generate money. The good thing about this app is that you can increase your phone number. If you have 2 Android devices, you can use this app on each of them to make extra money for those. Once you have downloaded and installed the Cash Magnet app on your phone, you will be able to earn up to $15 every month without any work. If you connect more phones, you will make more money. If you installed this app on 2 phones, you could expect to earn up to $30 a month. And if you installed this app on 3 phones, you can expect to earn up to $4 to $5 a month. This app is 100% free to download. You can add unlimited phones without any cost. The good thing about this website is you can withdraw your money when you reach only $1. Now you may be wondering, how long does it take to earn points? Most users can easily earn enough points to redeem for 2 days, but it depends on how much time your Cash Magnet will work. They make money from sponsorship. This app works while you are not using your phone. The app browses sites and installs games. But don't worry, it will install only trusted apps and games and visit only safe sites. The app's only purpose is to view advertising, click on banners, install games, and watch advertising. By doing so, they earn money and share it with their users. To start earning, you will need to launch the application and press the Start Earning button, and you are good to go. If you liked these tips and want to know more ways to make money online on YouTube, click on the first link in the description and sign up for the free webinar right now. Thanks for making it to the end of the video, and see you in the next one.